Dive into English. The splashy world of pool party. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into a fun and refreshing English phrase that's all about leisure and enjoyment. Pool party. Let's splash around the details and understand what it means when someone invites you to a pool party. A pool party is a social gathering that centers around a swimming pool. It's a place where friends and family come together to swim, play games, and enjoy each other's company. The pool is the main attraction, often accompanied by music, food, and decorations. While it's hard to pinpoint exactly when the first pool party was held, this type of social event became popular in the United States during the 20th century. Pools were seen as a symbol of luxury and leisure, making pool parties a desirable way to socialize and cool off, especially in hot weather. When you hear the term pool party, think of swimsuits, towels, inflatable floaties, and sunblock. Music is usually playing, and there's often a barbecue or picnic with refreshing drinks and snacks. Pool games like Marco Polo or pool volleyball are common, and sometimes there are themes or decorations involved. If you're invited to a pool party, remember a few key etiquettes. Bring your own swimsuit and towel. Offer to contribute to the food or drink, and always respect the host's space and rules. It's all about having fun while being considerate of others. A pool party is more than just a gathering. It's a celebration of friendship, fun, and the joy of swimming. So next time you get an invitation, grab your swimsuit and be ready to make a splash. Happy swimming, and I hope this video helps you feel prepared for your next poolside adventure.